Okay, now what we need to do, we need first we need to disable the particle system in our player. Then we need to take the item or to destroy the item once our player collides with him, and then we need to disable uh, the um, the player health script of our player, because once we get the item, we need to be invincible for a few seconds. So we need to disable the player health script, and then we need uh, mm, to active the particle system in our player when he grabs the item for a few seconds. So let's go to our script, in the item script, to our power item script. Let's see if it's okay. We need to assign our power item script to our power item. Okay, where is, okay, here we have the power item, and let's open our script and let's make some variables. So let's say first, okay, we need to our private game object is going to be our player. Then private, oh, let's make public, let's make public our game object player. Then player audio source, we need to run an audio source, and it's going to be an audio. Then we need to say private particle system, and it's going to be our particle system. Okay, then we need to bring our private player health. It's going to be our player health. Okay, now for the initialization, let's go to our start function and let's say player it's equal, in health item script we say game object find player. Let's grab this, okay, copy and here we paste. So okay, then our player health is going to be player dot get component. It's going to be our player health. Okay, oops, okay, then for the initialization of our player health, we need to say that our player health is enabled as true. Okay, then our particle system is going to be our player dot get component. Okay, it's going to be the particle system. Okay, and our particle system is got to be disabled. So particle system dot enable emission is important. Emission is going to be false. Okay, so now let's save it and let's preview in Unity. So let's take our player. We have here our player health is going to be enabled, but our particle system is going to be disabled. Once we hit on play, we're going to be able to see the particles on our player. So let's hit on play. Great. Okay, so we have the particle system in the item and we don't have the particle system active in our player. Okay, let's save it. Now, maybe we're going to have here a little issue. Um, let's delete for one moment our power item, and let's click on play. So when our power item is not on screen, is not in our stage or scene, the particle system on our player is active. So I'm going to undo this. So to fix this issue, we need to go to our player health item, sorry, script. Let's go to our player health, and let's make this new variable. Okay, let's say, okay, private. I'm going to make the variable down here. Okay, let me see, right here. So let's say here private particle system is going to be our particle system, sorry, particle system. Okay, and let's go to our start function, and here we're going to say particle system is equal to get component, our particle system. All right, and let's disable our particle system in the start function. Say particle system enable emission is equals to false. Okay, let's save the script and let's preview our game once again. I'm going to delete temporarily this item. Oops. Okay, and let's click on play. So great. Okay, now we don't have the particle system on our player. So I'm going to undo this. All right. Now we need to make the function on trigger enter. So when our player gets the item, let's make things happen. So let's go to our oops. Let's go to our power item script and let's make this void on trigger enter collider other. Let's open braces. So if other dot game object, that's going to be our player. What is going to happen? First, let's check. Let's print pick power item. All right. Then let's enable the particle system. Particle system dot enable emission is going to be true. All right. Then let's disable the script, the player health script. So player health dot enable is equals to false. Okay, and then let's destroy the game object. Okay, let's save the script. And now we need to check if these functions or these tasks are working. So let's see, let's click on play. Oops, what's happened here? Let me see. Okay, let me see. Oh, sorry. Here I need this to be like this without capital. Okay, so let's see. Save and let's go to our script. Okay, we have another problem. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, the same mistake is without the capital. Okay, let's save the script. And now let's see. Okay, great. We have some alert signs right here. It's for the version. In other chapter, I'm going to work with all these warnings. So for right now, we're going to clear it. Let's hit on play and let's see. Okay, we don't have the particle system, and then we got it. Destroy the object, and now the player has the particle system, and we have big power item. Okay, so um, in the next video, let's work with um, the programming of the functionality of our item. So I'll see you in the next lesson.